Hello, traders. Welcome to today daily outlook and setup. Um, so before I get started, I want to apologize for not being consistent on the channel. Um, I didn't upload a video on Thursday and Friday last week. There were some trades, but due to personal reasons, I was unable to make a video and upload it to this channel. So I'm really sorry about that. And I want to promise that going forward, I will try my very best to post a video like this every single day, talking about my daily setup and my daily analysis. So if you want to see videos like this, um, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that when I upload a video, you'd be the first to see that video. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video today. So what we're looking at right now is Aussie yen, and we're going to start our analysis like always on the daily time frame, and then we're going to walk our way to the 4 hour and then to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that price have shifted bias from or bullish bias to a bearish bias. So what I mean by that is price started trading in a bearish pattern. So we had a high, a low, lower high, and then lower low. So we can also notice that we had this break of structure right here. Okay, we had this break of structure to the downside. So this indicates to us that we are in a downtrend. We have shifted bias from a bullish bias to a bearish bias. And this occurred after the formation of the head and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame. And head and shoulders to most people is what we know as a reversal pattern. Is a real tail reversal pattern. So when we see an head and shoulder formation in the market, we'd expect a reversal, right? So we had the head and shoulder on the daily time frame that indicated to us a reversal, and then once we saw this head and shoulder, we're expecting market to reverse and trade back, to the downside. So we went to the 4 hour time frame after identifying on the daily time frame that our overall bias is bearish. So I'm going to use this to indicate that we're in a downtrend. So we created a high, created a low, created a lower high, and then a lower low. So this is our daily time frame overall direction. So now that we're on the 4 hour time frame, what we're going to look for is recent price action on the 4 hour time frame. And so recent price action, we take our two, right? We have the high, we have the low, we have the lower high, lower low, and what would expect after the formation of the new lower low, we expect price to react, retrace back to an area of interest, and then create a lower high. And we want to take the trade from the new lower high. So how do I find my new lower high? That's the question. So like always, I utilize this gambos tool and I take the two from the high to the low. All right, and then what we have now is that we have the premium level, which is the purple, and we have the discount level, which is discount. And this too is very important because premium level is the highest price you can get in the market, and it's important when you're looking to take a sell. And the discount level is the lowest price you can get in the market, and it's important when you're looking to take a buy. Okay, so now that we've identified the premium and discount level in the market, what we can do is that we can go to the premium level or the premium zone, look for an area inside that zone, inside the zone that will signify as an area of interest that we can potentially take a sell from. Okay, so I'm going to map out this level right here. as an area of interest. Okay, so why is this my area of interest? Well, because we had support from here, we had support here, and so we expect the price is going to retrace back into this level, act as resistance, and then we're going to take a sell from this level to the downside. So moving on to the 1 hour time frame, which is our entry time frame, where we could take the sell from. Okay, so waited for price to trade back into this level and look to take our sell. So this was an impulse trade. Once we saw this candlestick here, we decided to go in for the sell right here, and our stop loss was just above this high, right? This high right here, just above the high. And our take profit was somewhere around, we had activity profit in this trade, so our take profit was somewhere around 86,100. So yeah, somewhere around this level. So this was our take profit. We had, like I said, we had two take profit. We had one around here, somewhere around here. We had another around here, and this was our final take profit. So once we took the trade, what did we see? We saw this bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick, and then after that, we had price come down and take our first take profit. And pretty much now we're sitting at a week speed trade. Um, we had this break even, and we are holding this trade to for TP2 and TP3. Right here, you see the trade result on my MT4. Pretty much waiting for price to get to TP2 and 3. So this is my trade on Aussie yen today. Pretty much we had a shift in direction on the daily time frame. So we had the head and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame, and then after that we had the break of structure, and then we went on the 4 hour time frame where we identified um, recent price action, and also identified the area where we want to take the trade from, area of interest, and then went on the 1 hour time frame where we executed the trade. So this is a trade, and if you got value from this trade, please comment below what trade you were looking to trade today and what setup or what pattern you identified in that trade. And if you want to see videos like this, you want to see more videos like this, please do like this video, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that when I post a video like this again, you'll be the first to see it and you can watch it. And if it's not too late, you can take advantage of the trade. So I will remain your host and see you in